winter arc for the Christian man can be a powerful season of transformation, discipline, and growth, embracing both spiritual and physical elements. So here are 3 ways to craft this winter arc.
Step number 1, build spiritual muscle through focused Bible study and prayer. Strengthen your foundation in Christ by deeply engaging with scriptures that encourage growth, resilience, and purpose. Spend the season studying books like Proverbs and James for practical wisdom on living faithfully, or Philippians to focus on joy and perseverance. Select key verses weekly that resonate with your growth goals, memorizing a verse each week to meditate on and pray through. Reflect on how each passage applies to your current journey, and commit to a focused time each morning asking God to reveal areas of growth and discipline and seeking His strength. Also, consider journaling prayers to track how God is moving in this season. Step number 2, physical discipline through consistent fitness and diet. Develop physical strength as a reminder that caring for your body is a way to honor God. Stick to a workout plan that includes weight training, cardio, and flexibility. And make sure that you incorporate rest days. Alternate between muscle groups such as legs, chest, and back. And connect each workout with a prayer intention, focusing on building the stamina needed for the calling God has for you. As far as your diet, adjust your nutrition to fuel this season of physical and spiritual growth. Particularly for me, I aim for whole, nutrient-dense foods, and I try to cut down on refined sugars. While eating, practice gratitude before each meal, acknowledging that God is your true sustenance. Number 3, build community and accountability. Strengthen relationships with other men of faith to stay accountable and grow together. Join or start a weekly Bible study with men who share your desire to grow. Choose a study guide or book that challenges you in all areas like resilience, spiritual discipline, or even leadership. Find a workout buddy to check in with each week on both fitness and spiritual goals. Share prayer requests and celebrate progress together. Set aside a time each week to evaluate your growth over the week. Journal about what God has revealed to you, where you see improvement, in areas that still need focus.
Incorporating these 3 steps will allow you to have the best winter arc possible.